So what I've been doing lately is messaging a bunch of friends and being like, I want to give away some paintings. There's a cobweb on my canvas. And like tell me what colors you kind of want, kind of thing. And Laura said she wanted blue and green, so I figured a girl likes bright blue and green usually, so I figured to go with that. I'm using Liquitex Basics Fluorescent Green. Very bright. Add a little more, just to be safe. I'm also using Liquitex Basics in Fluorescent Blue. Add some to this, like that. That looks even. And I'll also be using Folk Art Ink Spot, which is a nice deep blue. And I will be using Liquitex Basics in Phthalo Green. Those are ones I'm not putting silicone in, and I'm using black as my base. So I'm going to use 2 drops. I guess 3. I got 2 in that one. Hair oil. Mix that silicone in. Kind of violently. You could see where it was on the stick, which was kind of funny. So, alright, so for the flip cup, we'll do a dark blue base. And then we'll go light green. Dark green. I guess my blues are gonna touch. Essentially just gonna look red again. What I'm trying to do is get a separation between my silicone layers. Seems to be working. Okay. That's all I'm doing for paint, because I don't want to have too much. That looks cool. I do have my phone, good. Lid. Just moving stuff out of the way so I don't get black all over the place. I feel like I have to be a miniature version of the Hulk to get this off sometimes. No, I'll just help. Oh. So, yeah, like I said, I've been messaging friends to get ideas for paintings. If you have any ideas, just put them down in the comments below. That'd be very, very helpful. I'm just doing local friends for now because it's easy. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of it for now. There's a couple of people that have just been like, ooh, I want that, right? And I'm like, ugh. And then there's a bunch of people that want a certain painting. Go figure. But it's, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it right now. It's hanging on a wall in my mother-in-law's office. Just sitting there. getting my edges so they're not all plain, essentially. Just helping it along here. There. Edges sealed. I'm like trying to get the paint off my palette knife and it's like impossible. Go on the canvas, please. Ugh, or gather more, whatever. Wipe this off. I'll probably end up tilting it before I torch just to see what happens kind of thing. I don't know, it depends. Ugh, not lipping that, that's too pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna tilt this first, see what goes on. Because sometimes when you tilt, more cells tend to form and bubbles tend to pop themselves, and therefore creating more whittle cells. Ooh, this is really pretty. Oh. Wow. I'm really liking how this is turning out so far. The lacing's really cool. Oh, I don't know what to do with it. It's so pretty. I guess I'll dump that edge. I see a chunk, I think. I don't know. Kind of seems like a chunk, doesn't it? Okay, I'm leaving that alone now because that's so pretty. Laura, jealous. Every time I make something, I'm like, I want to keep this, but at the same time, better to give. Guess I'll use my palette knife. I don't know. It could have been just a silicone bubble and yeah. Anyways, let's see what happens. Neat. How pretty. Also don't want to go crazy with it though. Blues and greens really complement each other very, very well. This is amazing. I gotta get you down for a close-up because, well, look at this. That's so cool. I had to leave this one edge alone because, well, look at all this. This is so cool. I didn't want to lose it. And the rest of it decided to just sell incredibly. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments below. If you can't tell, I'm absolutely blown away. Like this video if you like this painting. Share with your friends to spread the love. And subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time.